I'm getting ready to go cruising. I'm going through my camera bag and everything. Last year, this is funny. Last year, I thought I lost this thing forever. So I'm talking to you on a GoPro Hero 9, right? And I have a case that has the microphone on it and all that kind of stuff. But there's this thing right here. So you put the case on, but you got to take this little door thing off. Okay, now this door thing right here makes that GoPro right there waterproof. Well, I misplaced this. I thought for sure I had to go online and go buy a new one. And so the last cruise that I was on, which was the Dream, went to Half Moon Cay and all that kind of stuff. And I couldn't get the camera wet. Okay. And which sucked because I was in Half Moon Cay and I wanted to get the camera wet, get some of those shots. But so I found it. Where did I find it at? I think it was in one of the pickups. Well, it had to have been the red pickup because I don't think we had the black pickup yet. So I'm just going through all this stuff. Now, we don't leave to go to New Orleans until Saturday morning, and it's currently Wednesday. But I like to go through my inventory here to just kind of find out what I need, right? I need to find out if I need new SD cards. So that's one of the reasons why I'm filming you. Seeing how this thing, filming you. Yeah, I'm filming you. Seeing how this thing turns out. And if I need to go and get a new fresh SD card from Best Buy, I will. This is my old DSLR. Don't know how much I'm going to use this. Given the fact that I have this and one other camera, and her camera, she's got another Canon somewhere. I don't use that. That's her camera. So yeah, I'm just going through my camera bag here, and I pretty much got everything out. And I already know what I need to get. You guys know these things for these things right here, right? And a lot of you can buy them that has a little adhesive like tape, right? And double-sided, just peel the thing off and you can just set it up on the railing. That's how I get a lot of the shots, the fast-moving shots. You know, as sunrises, sunsets, and that kind of stuff. Time lapse. I just set it up on the railing and just let it do its thing. Well, the last cruise, first of all, every time you pull these things off, it's the adhesive thing is gone. It's ruined, right? You can't use it again. Well, the last time I went, because they go and they clean, right? Most of the time they don't mess with these things. Never had them mess with it until the last time, and that kind of sucked. So I've got those. I've got this GoPro. This is my 360 right here. This is my 360, and I have my other lens cap here somewhere. I just saw it. I've been doing some weather-related videos on another channel with this stuff and all that. I've got you on a little tripod-looking thing, and it works as a selfie stick. I'm not a big fan of it because it's one of those things where you have to go and tighten it like that, and sometimes you don't tighten it good enough. And the thing about that makes that cool is that it makes great 360 shots. Because you're sitting there, you hold your camera like that, and well, unfortunately, this one kind of does a little shaky, and I just saw it somewhere. I thought I had a thing that fits right up in there. So if I put the 360 on this one, there's a connector. Here it is. This will work. Now look here. Yeah, this will work. This is how I'll get my 360 shot. The thing about a 360 camera is that In order to get that 360 effect, you need to have the pole looking thing, right, to be smaller than the width of this because of how the lens is. And this is just a tad bit, and I'm gonna have to check it out and see if this will work. Just a tad bit bigger. This is just a tad. I haven't used it with this. The only time I've used it with this is when I had had it all freaking crazy mounted like that, and you could see the base of it. So anyway, so for you tech guys out there that enjoy this kind of stuff, this is the things that I'm working on. These are pre-cruise stuff. Making sure I have my cameras. Making sure. Oh, this is the reason why. Oh, no wonder I couldn't use this. Right? This is because this has a 2 thing, right? And then this does too. Now, yeah, that's not going to work. Darn it. So I'll still use this for a 360 shot. The only problem is it's not real long. When you extend it out, it's not real long. It'll still work, but it's not that long. So I'll go to Best Buy, see if they have anything. I need to find some little just connector type stuff. But outside of that, I'm good. I got to change battery. I've got to charge batteries. Can't have enough of these, like long ones, right? Like this one is long. Now, good thing about this cruise, I say it's a good thing. It kind of sucks. I'm not going snorkeling on this cruise, but on our next cruise in June we will be. So I'm gonna make sure I have everything waterproof. This is a GoPro Hero 9. I don't know if I'm gonna get another GoPro, get like an 11 or something. I've had this one for a little over a year, so it's still pretty new to me. This one I've had for a few years now, but I haven't used it that much. A 360, the only thing I don't really like about it, there's a couple of things. The microphone on this thing kind of sucks. And then, I mean, you don't do 4K. What's the other one I was going to say? Microphone. Oh, it's not waterproof. It's not waterproof. So other than that, these 360s make great footage. And really, I mean, can you really tell between a 1080 and a 4K? I don't know. I don't think so. And then when you're doing a 360 shot, I mean, it still looks really good. You can't really tell. So yeah, so I need more little knick-knack stuff like this. Now, usually I order stuff for that, right? I didn't order anything. Now, I guess the only thing I could probably think about doing here. Watch this, guys. Watch this. I'm gonna see if this will work. I'm gonna undo this one. Because I need... Yeah, this is not going to work, I don't think. No, it's not. Yeah, no, it's not going to work. Oh, well. Well, anyway, I just figured I'd give this little camera here. It's been a while since I've used it, and kind of give it a little shot here. I've got a microphone, a Rode microphone for the DSLR. And I'll do a lot of talking, like a lot of sit-down stuff with that. And then walking around the ship, I'm not going to carry around the heavy, well, not really heavy, but bulky DSLR, this old Canon, when I could carry a GoPro right here, and it'd be really light, and you just carry it around. That's what I do anyway. I pretty much just carry it around on the ship, and people are like looking. Anyways, guys, I can't wait to get on the ship. That's the reason why I'm on here like, hey, I'm ready. How many days we got? Like, I can't even... 4 days? 4 days? Yeah, let's go with 4 days. It's the 15th. That's the 19th. So, countdown to the Carnival Glory, and getting my camera stuff ready. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little old video talking about the little stuff. I got to charge batteries, run by Best Buy. It's too late to order stuff. I should have done this about a week or two ago. That way I could get a good idea of what I need to get. Or, you know, I gotta go to Amazon and I could buy like a big grab bag thing. Don't cost hardly anything, like 20 bucks or 30 bucks, and you get all sorts of freaking gadgets. They don't have the word GoPro on them. I'll tell you what, the GoPro cameras are worth it, but I'll tell you what, all the accessories and stuff like that, you're going to pay. You're going to pay for those accessories, you know. Now the aftermarket stuff, yeah, it's a lot cheaper. It's a lot cheaper, and they still work. So anyway, I'll run by Best Buy. Best Buy has some, you know, off-brand GoPro stuff, so I may that still fits just fine. I will say that there's suction cups, and I have a couple of them over here. Where's my suction cup? I wanted to show you the suction cup right here. So this suction cup right here is a GoPro. I've had this thing for years. Look how friggin' old this thing is, right? I had this thing for years. Now, this is the El Cheapo. And it's a lot more flimsy. You know, it's not as big and bulky as this. I like big and bulky. You know, you put this, I've had this thing on the side of a truck going down the highway at 70 miles an hour. I would never trust this little old cheap thing. Will this work temporarily? Yeah. But I could say they're cheap. They're just cheap. So don't expect it to hold up in any kind of like weather or something like that. Anyways, guys, this video's long enough. I hope you enjoyed this little video as I'm doing my little inventory, and I'm going to repack this bag and get ready to go on the Carnival Glory. I'm ready to go cruising again. We'll see you next time. We'll see you on the ship. I don't think I'm going to do another video. So we'll see you on the ship. 73.